How to start a human hair business in Nigeria? Everything has two sides, and so does being wholesale hair vendors in Nigeria. If it can bring you huge return each year on starting a hair business, it can also cause you a lot of disadvantages. In this video, I will give you all information both on benefit and challenges when you want to start a hair business in Nigeria. Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair Factory. On the one hand, there is no denial that hair business deserves your try to invest on starting hair business in Nigeria, which can bring you, first of all, profits. Well, obviously, according to statistics, hair vendors in Nigeria can earn nearly double or even triple the capital that they use to purchase hair from the original hair factories or hair vendor supplier. Nigeria hair salon, which is not a small amount to everyone who is running not only hair business but also other types of business in the world. Why connections? Together with the increase in the number of people's demand in hair extensions, there is also an increase in the number of people who intend to start up hair business in Nigeria, like Nigerian hair salons. Totally stable business. Hair business in Nigeria is one of the most stable industries since it have existed for so long. The evidence is that so many top hair salons in Nigeria are pretty successful till now. On the other hand, this can also cause some disadvantages for Nigeria hair salon on starting in hair business in Nigeria, which are, first of all, competitiveness. It is as clear as day that hair in bulk wholesale business in Nigeria is so potential that this is regarded as competitive industry in Nigeria. Hence, you really need to consider whether you should start up a hair business in Nigeria or not. But trust me, if you want to earn a lot of money and know how to start hair business in Nigeria, you got to get out of your comfort zone. Payment. Due to the government's policy for Nigeria hair salon, Nigerians are not allowed to transfer USD outside the country, only receive it. Consequently, international trade in Nigeria is encountering some problem in terms of payment. They need to find someone outside Nigeria to help them with that part. Nevertheless, if you have the intentions of purchasing hair from a trustworthy hair factory without much try to finish the payment, K-Hair will help you with strong support from a team of agents with an available source of money, which will make you find payment not an issue when you want to start up hair business in Nigeria and know how to start hair business in Nigeria. I hope that with the useful information about starting up a hair business in Nigeria that I mentioned before, you have been able to make the right decision to start a hair business in Nigeria. If you find this video useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair Factory. Thank you and see you again.